Yeah, just hug the tree. Get my interaction in. Let's see what else to do. Let's walk around. It's cloudy outside. It's a slight warm breeze. Take the breeze in, interacting. Oh, you seen the blizzard? Ah, oh, dang, it went away. I just seen a lizard. Reminded me of, oh, here it goes again. I don't know if you can hear it. It's in that bush somewhere. I don't know. Interaction. Let's walk to these bushes over here. Show them some love too. How y'all doing today, bush? How are these bushes doing today? Can you tell them? I'm doing good. Good, good, good. Good to hear, good to hear. All right, bush, see you later. Nice to meet you. Just don't go nowhere. Ha, da-da-ch.